Purpose-built for broad-gauge railways, the CKD6E locomotive features a high-power AC drive system that delivers both proven reliability and advanced efficiency, perfectly aligned with the demands of modern rail transportation. With a service power of 990 kilowatts, an axle load of 22 tons, and compatibility with a 1,520 millimeter track gauge, the CKD6E is designed to provide exceptional adaptability and versatility across various operating conditions. Its maximum starting traction force of 420 kilonewtons and continuous traction force of 274 kilonewtons ensure strong, consistent performance even when working in challenging environments. Capable of reaching a top speed of 80 kilometers per hour, the CKD6E delivers powerful traction and efficient operation, making it a standout solution for shunting and transfer service applications. Developed on a modular product platform, the CKD6E can be easily configured to suit different shunting and short-haul transfer tasks, offering operators the flexibility they need for diverse railway scenarios. From mountainous terrains to regional transport routes, the CKD6E stands as a dependable, high-performance locomotive, where power meets versatility and efficiency drives the future of rail logistics.